How to get Pipedrive API Key. In this video, I'll show you how to get Pipedrive API Key. So to get started, go ahead and open pipedrive.com, sign in to your account, and then once signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. Now under that, click on Company Settings. So inside Company Settings, head over into the Personal Preferences tab and then head over into the API tab inside Personal Preferences. So under the API tab, you'll be able to find your API key for Pipedrive. So you'll find it in here. So you need to click on this copy button at the right side of that personal API token to copy your personal API token, and that is how you can basically get API on Pipedrive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.